welcome to our channel Essay Tips. Today I will share you how to use the NVivo for thematic analysis. First, I am creating a project by clicking on the project tab and giving a project title, whatever you want. Now click on Next, Create Project. You can give, as per your choice, whatever is your file locations you want. Now wait, it will open within a minute. Just skip to File section, close this one. Now I want to import the text file by clicking on the import window, giving the file location, create new classification so that I can find out this file separately, and clicking OK. This document property by default name will be chosen. You have to click Next. Now you can see my imported file on corporate governance that has been imported to the window. Suppose I want to do the text analysis on corporate governance. These are the sections that I have covered in my text content. Now I have to code this one. This section also you can see one file has been chosen with one reference. Sentiment part is blank now because I have not run any code. Click on the file section, choose a particular file and run the autocode. Autocode automatically will do the coding against the node. Click on the Identify Themes. Themes means here I am doing the corporate governance as my first theme, so it will be chosen. Under the theme column, you can see rows of nodes that had been identified by the software. Click Next. Code as per sentences or code for paragraphs. I suggest to go for code for paragraphs. Click on Finish. Now wait. Now we can check file corporate governance already taken into the software. You can see how many numbers of course done here, 32, with reference of 103. That has been identified from the test content that I have imported. Now I will identify the word frequency, hierarchy chart, how much is the density of the word in my text, one by one. Now this is a hierarchy chart. You can see diverse, board, stakeholder. These terms have been used most frequently in my text content. That's why it has been taken larger rectangular area. So hierarchy chart is one of the important NVivo output analysis that you can use for your thematic analysis in your dissertation or assignment. Now I'm clicking on the chart, clicking on the coding, clicking on Next and Finish. Give the file location, click on OK. Now you can see corporate governance, diverse, board, decision making. These are the terms with percentage of coverage that has been mentioned within the bar graph. percentage coverage in y-axis, coding of nodes that have been done with the x-axis. Now I'm clicking on the word frequency and clicking on the run query. You can see, suppose diversity, it has characters of 9, total 18 times. It has been found within the test body and its percentage is already mentioned in the table. You can export the table graph by right-clicking on the table or graph and you can give to the particular location. This one is the word cloud. I have clicked on the word cloud tab and this diagram has been come. You can see from the diagram this board, decision making, diversity, performance, corporate. These are the terms mostly used within the text and format. Now I want to do this sentiment analysis. So for doing so, I'm clicking on the sentiment and again autocode. Now check what will be the output. You can see very negative is 0, moderate negative is 4, moderately positive is 2. In the sentiment table, files, reference numbers, very positive, moderately and very negative. Everything was mentioned. Now this is the reference percentage of coverage. For every very positive sentiment or moderately positive sentiment or moderately negative sentiment or moderately very negative sentiment that is mentioned. You can right click and click on the open sentiment, then this page of output will be displayed. Now you can give the chart also for the sentiment by giving the particular location of the file. Now you can see the how many percentage of negative sentiment that has been come against the corporate governance. This is a bar chart. You can change the chart type also from the toolbar. So, in case of in vivo output analysis, you have the loss of options and is the easy way to do the analysis of your text content. You will have the word frequency table. You will have the word cloud diagram, graphical representation of word with percentage. You can analyze the sentiment in terms of positive sentiment or negative sentiment that has been identified to your text content. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to these tips for further videos.